Paying attention to details is super important in trading. Let me show you this trade on Tesla. On the daily chart, we got a trend line coming down and a trend line coming up to form a symmetrical triangle. And as you can see right here, we already broke out of the triangle. And I'm expecting it to get up to at least this orange line. On the 1 hour chart, we got a trend line coming up. And I usually don't cut out candles, but this big green candle is not valid, so I'm not including that in my trend line. On the 15-minute chart, we got a trend line coming down. On the 5-minute chart, I'm gonna mark yesterday's highs with a green dotted line, which is also the top of the trend line. I'm gonna mark pre-market highs with a green solid line. On the 5-minute chart at open, we did a false breakout to the downside, then came back up to that 15-minute trend line and started consolidating. And when a stock consolidates at a level, it usually wants to break through. Plus, we just touched that 9 EMA, which makes the breakout valid. And the VWAP is pointing to the upside, which is a good sign. Now, if we go to the 1-minute chart right here, the first thing I notice is we have a trend line coming down. Plus, we have a mini level that cuts right through the middle. And I know it's hard to see, but we have all these touches on that mini level, which makes it valid. Plus, we have a consolidation right at that level. So what am I looking for? A break to the upside. Boom, we get our break. I buy calls right here. Stop loss is a strong push below that 9 EMA. Target is pre-market highs. Then we took off and made a smooth run to that target. And I should have held this because on the 5-minute chart, it did keep on going up and it almost touched yesterday's highs like it was supposed to do. But I played it safe and took the money that was in my face. Yes, sir.